Hi everybody, this is Jason from Boatshed Plymouth. Today I'm on board this NAB 32 that we have listed here in the Plymouth area. Just going to do a short internal video so you can see how this vessel's laid out. Just starting off here in the forward cabin. Really nice woodwork on this boat. You can see there's some headlining work needs to be done. Just around the coach roof there. Boat's fitted with a bow thruster as well. Just spinning around on the port side. Here we have the heads. Really good head height on this boat. It's over 1.8 meters generally throughout. Nice bright and airy boat. Nice selection of stowage as well. It's moving slowly aft into the saloon. Lots of nice seating available. Nice features there as well with the oil lamps on either side. Really lovely big windows, making the boat very nice and bright and airy. Nice big saloon table. Starboard side seating area. Again, lots of stowage. It's moving slowly aft. A well apportioned galley there. Again, nice and bright. Quick glimpse into the cockpit. We've done an external video which you can see on our website as well for this boat. And just panning round now, starboard side, to a very nice sized chart table and nav station. And we've got a crew quarter berth, again down the starboard side. Nice and long. All in all, a very nice boat. Should you have any questions regarding this boat, please don't hesitate to contact me. Jason@boatshedplymouth.com. Or of course you can see a full listing on our website at boatshedplymouth.com. Thanks for watching.